About to do an unboxing from Freshwaterexotics. These guys specialize in plecos and wild cards out of Brazil and places like that. I'm gonna attempt to do it by myself. So what I got in here, 2 plecos, about 4 inches, 5-inch range. Red Titanic is one of them. L25 is the other. Put this knife away for now. Very well packaged. Oh yeah, heat pad. I like the way they did this with the newspapers. See that? One box right there. Guys, step back. Guys, step back. Doing good. This looks like the Titanic. Actually, no, L25. Hold on one second. This is the Titanic. Holy smokes, look at the trailers on that thing. See that? Whoa. Let's see if I can get her. Wow. Aiden, come here. It's my one of my sons. Here, record me. I'm recording live right now.
Okay. Welcome back to me.
This is the Titanic. Step back just a bit, son. Thank you.
Why are you opening up?
Bring it over here.
See it?
See the trailers? Aiden, pay attention.
Fish?
Beautiful yellow colors. Put them back in here. Amazing trailers on that. Aiden, come on.
It's that one.
Aiden, you gotta concentrate.
Aiden, what?
Here it goes. Oh, this guy's got some spunk to him. Whoa, whoa. This guy is alive. Oh, look at that. Amazing. I love the trailers. Look at the colors.
Is it alive?
Yeah. See that? Beautiful.
What's its scales? Can you hold it? Where's its scales?
All right. Highly satisfied. Awesome. High quality plecos. One of my dream plecos. The Red Titanic. I'm going to put the guys to float in my sump before I actually put them in with the other fish. There's one. Oh man, these guys look awesome. There's two. Let them float in there for a good 20-30 minutes. This is my new setup with geos, sphennies, and an albino arowana. So the whole beam here is long trailers, super long trailers. Like I said, that red Titanic is infamous for its long trailers, and the L25. So great packaging, excellent service, communication with these guys is amazing. I use Facebook Messenger, and I think Christine answered right back. Like 20 minutes later, her husband hit me back. So he didn't know Christine already hit me back. So I guess when you message them, it hits both their phones. So these guys are very attentive to their phone. Sent several pictures for me to pick from. I mean, the communication, the picture sending, not too many places will send you pictures of fish for you to choose from. They were asking me exactly, what I was looking for. I got it. Very happy, very satisfied. Thank you, Freshwaterexotics. Yeah, these guys also came via the airport. So, great service, great boxing. Communication was like through the roof. Thank you guys.